Hey guys, Brian here with you from Raxis. We're going to talk today about network segmentation. Network segmentation is another techy sounding word, but really all it means is taking your network and slicing it into different segments, right? The segmentation piece is you're using different segments of address spaces. And that gives you a few things. Now there may be other reasons to segment a network aside from security. In fact, there often are. In fact, that's usually what drives segmentation is infrastructure design. Network segments often map to geography. Certain sites may have their own segments, certain operational silos may have their own segments. Shipping and receiving doesn't need to talk to the same machines that HR does, for example. All these are examples of network segmentation, but there's a few security benefits I want to go through with you as to why network segmentation is important in a diverse large environment. First of all, it limits what we can see, right? So when I go into an environment, if I'm doing an attack and I get dropped on a network, the most often thing we do is we emulate malicious internal users, right? So we come in, plug in a network jack, and we do what we can do. If I can see the entire network, well, guess what? That's what we like to call a target-rich environment. I can see the whole thing. I can go after a whole lot of machines, right? There's more targets. There's a greater exposure. But if that network is properly segmented, and I plug into the network jack, and I can only see the machines that are on the same floor, well, that limits my options as an attacker, right? And so I have to work a lot harder to get to other machines. I may not even know other machines exist, but if they're there, I have to work harder to find them and exploit them. And then when I do that, I take time and I make noise in the network, which gives you a better chance for detection. So network segmentation is very important in that regard. It also allows you to put choke points on network traffic. So if you have, let's say you have a site that gets some terrible worm on it, a segmented network, you can chop that traffic off right there. You can block it at that firewall segment, and so that only that site that is affected, and the impact is not felt in other areas of the organization. You don't have a segmented network. If you have what we call a flat network, you're done. You're done. So it's a great way to mitigate threats through compartmentalization, right? So with that, I'll leave you. Guys, be safe, be secure, and segment those networks, please, please.